All right, we're taking it apart. How's it going, baby?
Oh, it's a lot of work.
So just cleaning through everything. Just stripping it all down. So we still gotta do some touch-ups. Lots of touch-ups. Lots of touch-ups. So, area. So lots of touch-ups. We've got some spots that the tape that we bought is horrible and wasn't very sticky, so we checked on a few spots here we just need to fix, but all in all, backdrop looks good. Just a few cleans and some dusting.
RV update. Day, we've lost count. We are slowly pulling all the stuff. We won't look too closely at the paint job. Like, we won't, there's no way we'll look like at right there and like right there. We won't even look at there. That's stuff that can all get fixed. But it's coming along. Oh yeah. Took out the black grade, just painted it copper. Oh, that's sexy right there. It's so pretty. It's getting there. I have so much touch up to do. As you can see, we got all the cabinets on. And then I put the backsplash there to see if I still like it. And I think I do. I don't know. Well, I would like to get your guys' opinion about that. But yeah. Isn't that pretty? Hey. In theory. Do you like that?
It's awesome.
Do you like the colors in here? Perfect. And then this right here will be wrapped all the way around.
Degreaser, because we mixed it with water and then we cleaned that off before we put this.
Yeah, Andre, where's the degreaser?
Down below.
Down below. Can you bring it, please?
Yeah, and I mean it still peels it off, yeah.
Well, here, I was going to say, we can
Here,
get...
stop. I'll pull that piece off.
Okay, so go all the way down.
We're not thinking.
75. Keep going. Okay, 75. Keep going.
Oh, the bed looks so good.
Again, another project that we thought was going to be easy, Auntie. So, fun fact, when you drill into the walls, you hit metal, which I think we knew, but it's becoming a little bit stressful. But we got this shade in so far. We're working on those. We got that shade in. We got this shade in. We got this shade in. So it's coming. I decided to wrap all of this so it'll hide this terrible veneer stuff that we put on there. That doesn't cut very well. But I think it will tie in now because this is the piece that's going to hold the couch so it slides forward and makes a bed. It'll match what I created here. So that'll be a nice way to tie in the new couch. We got it in, now we're gonna assemble it. We decided last minute to upholster the whole side, which I think it's gonna look really clean. So instead of all the cut pieces, and then the couch will fit on top of this. Dee is now disassembling all the electronics so that we can feed it through here, cap it off. It's coming together, so we just have to assemble this portion. This was the last minute upholstering I decided to do, and I think it looks great because it really ties in the whole RV now. Oh, love it. So he's gonna L-bracket those and we're done with the couch, which you can see here. And then that portion pops right up against it.